Hey guys, today I prepared this very delicious rice. The flavor of this rice is a combination of the conventional coconut rice and fried rice put together. The taste is so exotic. I mean, it doesn't taste like the common or the everyday rice that you eat. Okay, everybody in my family enjoyed it, they loved it, and in fact they asked for more. Okay, so let's get to the kitchen and let me show you how I prepared this very delicious rice I call curry chicken coconut rice. For this recipe, you will be needing coconut milk, minced chicken, garlic, carrots, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, green beans, and enough curry powder, just to mention a few. First thing is to saute my minced chicken. I marinated it for a few minutes with garlic, seasoning cubes, and curry powder. This is brown enough, so I'll add my mixed vegetables, stir, and add a spoon of grated ginger to saute with. I'll add some black pepper and white pepper too. I won't be adding any seasoning cubes. Perfect. So I'll just set this aside now. Meanwhile, here is my coconut milk. I extracted it myself. I prefer to use the fresh milk because it has a stronger flavor and does not contain any artificial additive. Now to prepare the coconut rice, I'll heat up my pot and add vegetable oil, add curry. Don't let it get burnt, stir. I'll add coconut milk, stir. In goes my salt, in goes onions, in goes grated fresh pepper. Have you seen our video on how to wrap moi moi leaf? You should check that out. Also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button now. So I have added seasoning cubes and meat stock to the mixture. Now that everything has been added, I'll bring the mixture to a boil and add our parboiled rice. It's time to add the rice. So I'll cover and allow the rice to cook till the water is almost totally dried. The rice is still quite hard, hence the quantity of water. Great. So the water is not dried yet, but almost dried. Now is the right time to add the vegetables. So I'll cover the pot, allow the vegetables to steam while the water dries properly. Amazing. Now that the water is dried, I'll stir everything together and serve. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.